Hey, welcome back to my channel.
Today, I want to talk about something that's often a mystery for small YouTubers: how much YouTube pays when you're just starting out, especially with a small, faceless channel like this one. I'm currently sitting at 45 subscribers and 10,000 views on this new channel, but I also have two other channels that are much bigger and fully monetized. So, I'm excited to share some real insights with you.
Let me give you a quick rundown.
This channel is my latest project, and even though it's new, it's already gaining some traction with 45 subscribers and 10,000 views. I've built two other channels before this one, and they've grown significantly. They're both fully monetized and bringing in consistent revenue. But every channel starts somewhere, and this one is still in its early days. Now, for those who don't know, YouTube requires you to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last year to start earning from ads. This channel isn't there yet, but I've been through this process twice before, so I have a pretty good idea of what to expect. Once you hit those milestones, the money starts rolling in, but the amount can vary based on several factors. Several factors will influence how much I'll earn once this channel is monetized. First, the niche some of my other channels have higher CPMs because of their specific topics. The audience's location is another big one. Viewers from the US, UK, or Canada typically contribute more to earnings. And of course, the level of engagement and how long people watch my videos will also play a role in determining my revenue. Having grown two other successful channels, I can say that consistency and content quality are key. This new channel is still small, but I'm confident it will grow with time and effort. My advice to anyone starting out is to keep creating and learning. Don't be discouraged by slow progress. Remember, even my big channel started with 0 subscribers. And once you're monetized, consider other income streams like affiliate marketing or sponsorships to boost your revenue. So, that's a peek into what it's like to grow a small faceless channel and what you can expect in terms of earnings. I will be dropping more videos soon about how you can get started, how to optimize your videos to reach the correct audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights from my journey. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's something specific you want me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.